Welcome to the cybersecurity. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back, and we are continuing with our general skills. And today we will be covering collaborative development. In the last video, we covered blame game, which required some Git knowledge, not too much. And collaborative development is also has recently appeared in picoCTF 2024 and also has use of Git. So you can download the challenge from here, and similarly you can use cd drop-in to go into the directory, and we can see that it is initialized as the git folder. So we can see so LA here is basically ls. So I have created an alias for LA as this, so you can, instead of LA, write this. It will give the same. So there are two files, git and flag. First of all, let's check flag.py printing the simple print state. Let's see if there are any init flag printer, and it says nothing else. So we can check different branches in the file. Let's see, feature part 1, feature part 2, feature part 3. So let's check out to feature part 1, and let's see if this has anything. And okay, it has half the flag, so let's copy it. So I think they have, so we have total 4 branches: feature part 1, part 2, part 3, and main. I think they have split into 3 parts and then hidden each part of the flag in each branch. So we got the second. Let's check out to 3, and we got the final one. And we got the 75 points just using some git commands. We are mostly using git log, git status, and we also learned a new command for switching the branches and weaving all the branches.
If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.